Sehan is a state-of-the-art rear-view mirror created with precise detail to fulfill all your needs as a cyclist. Only a perfect product can give you that second to react and keep riding. That's the only way to ride safe on the street. Sehan's unique design inhibits any kind of vibration, giving you a sharp and clear vision of what's happening behind you. Vibration is dangerous. In comparison with other mirrors, we demonstrate that Sehan does not vibrate at all. We want you to ride with confidence, and the only way to do so is with a clear and precise image. For that reason, we carefully choose all the materials. The acrylic mirror has an incredible resistance, making sure that Sehan will never damage you, ever. Its revolutionary attachment system allows you to use it in any kind of glasses, helmets, and caps, making Sehan very easy to put on and giving it an incredible fixation. It's so versatile that you can use it to walk safely on the street or to ride your skateboard with confidence. Sehan is made to endure harsh treatment. You can keep it in any pocket or purse, knowing that Sehan won't break or bend. With Sehan, you feel good and look good. The bike is one of humanity's greatest inventions. It lets us reach awesome speed, just with leg power, no fossil fuels, and it's incredibly cheap. And now, with Sehan, you can use it wherever you want, without fears, safe and confident.
Hi, my name is Michael Bertov. In 2014, I invented the GeoOrbital wheel and built the first prototype. The GeoOrbital wheel is really a platform that lets you convert any bike to an electric bike in seconds. Gizmag called it a radically different design and has been featured in Time, in Forbes, in Popular Mechanics, on the Discovery Channel. Let me show you how the wheel is made. This is our contract manufacturing facility in Peabody, Massachusetts. It's about 10 miles north of Boston. This is where thousands of wheels are assembled, tested, and shipped. And I think it's funny that until I built the first one, engineering experts told me it couldn't be done. And until we sold thousands of them, business experts told me that it couldn't be sold. It takes a community, a strong community, to come together to really bring a product to life. A few months ago, we had a groundbreaking Kickstarter campaign. We raised over $1.26 million from a community of over 1,600 people. We have shipped wheels all over the world, and people have put them onto very, very creative things that are always inspiring and motivational to us. I want to show you our game room. This is an electric drift trike. If you've never been on one of these, definitely check one of these out. Something a little more serious. This is an electric full-size wheelchair, which still folds up. Look how compact it is. You can still operate this manually too. It's so universally compatible, we even put it on a wheelbarrow.
Hey, don't forget about the Mini Penny. This is the first of our concept vehicles to make it into production, and it wouldn't be possible without the GeoOrbital wheel. You know, the nice thing about this platform is it has all the components built in that make it move. So we're not limited by a lot of the restrictions of traditional vehicles. We're even working on a car now where the wheels will turn sideways to drive, and it can fold up when it's parked.
We're a company powered by a single, simple idea that a wheel can move itself. The opportunities are limitless, and we think we can redefine transportation. But it takes a community. It takes a community to make change. It's products don't make differences, communities do. So please join us in building a great company together that can really make a difference in transportation.
Know the feeling? So do we. In fact, 50% of active cyclists will have their bikes stolen. This is even worse for bike wheels because any thief with a wrench can remove your wheels in less than 30 seconds. Right now, you need to carry multiple locks to fully secure your entire bike. One for the front wheel and another for the back wheel and frame. But this sucks because who wants to carry multiple locks and then lock them every single time you ride? don't forget that means multiple keys, locks, and all your books, binders, backpack, and laptop. The new solution to this madness is Nutlock. Nutlock provides one-time installation bike wheel security. This innovative product works by replacing the bicycle wheel's existing fasteners with custom-engineered ones that can only be removed with a unique key in your package. You install it once, and that wheel is now protected. Yeah, just one time. Nutlock helps you outsmart thieves by fully protecting against commonly used theft tools. It also removes the need to carry an additional U-lock or cable lock to secure your entire bike. Keep in mind, Nutlock only protects your wheels, so you do still need a U-lock or cable lock to secure your bike to an external object. We've custom engineered over 37 designs and prototypes to deter theft as much as possible. New variations are being created by the day, making it practically impossible for a thief to get his hands on all the different Nutlock combinations. And if you ever want to remove your wheels, all you need is the key that came with your package. Just throw that key on your keychain and you're good to go. Security has always felt good, but it's never looked this good. So grab Nutlock, lock your nuts, and celebrate by popping yourself a cold one. Cheers.
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips, making life more comfortable in every aspect and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. Ride Air is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. Ride Air is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in two common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. Ride Air is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. Ride Air can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike, so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your Ride Air where it belongs. And of course, Ride Air isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.